The Odisha government has made installation of vehicle location tracking devices with panic buttons mandatory. This will be applicable for all new commercial vehicles to be registered on or after January 1st, 2023. Sources said that the move is aimed at ensuring security of women and children traveling in public transport vehicles. The specified vehicles registered on or after January 1st, 2023 will have to comply with the requirement at the time of registration. Such category of vehicles registered on or before December 31st, 2022 will have to comply with the requirement by March 2023. Bureau Report, OTV News.